Hi, and thanks for checking out the channel. With this project, you're going to be making a foldable that turns into a really big hamburger. It's a lot of fun and easy to do, and you can make it however you want. Um, First thing you'll do is take a piece of paper and fold it down. And after you fold it down, you'll fold it up and then switch it around and get drawing. I would recommend drawing with pencil before you use any Sharpie or marker to do your lines a little darker. So there you go. I folded it up, then folded it down, then I switched it around, and now I'm going to get out my pencil and start tracing over my original pencil lines that were very light. Um, I drew a rectangle to kind of keep it all in one place. Might help, otherwise, your hamburger will look like it's falling over. The Sharpie lines do need to line up when you fold it down, so make sure that you're folding it down like that and connecting your lines so that they don't look like it's falling apart when you fold it. After you do your marker lines, you want to get some crayons out or whatever you have to color with. Uh, it's cool without the it's cool without the crayons, but the crayons do help. If you have a lot of different colors, make sure you're mixing your colors. It's a lot of fun to play around with color, but it's even more fun if you mix. So colors like orange and yellow are beside each other, so they mix really nicely together. Colors like brown and peach mix well together for the bun. So enjoy, and again, if you make one of these and are proud of it, take a picture of it and send it my way. I'd love to see it. Thanks again for checking out my channel, and everybody out there, stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope I'll see you at school soon.